Okay, just a quick video for you today, guys. I've got all these Brad staples, Brads lying around everywhere. It's like a little Campbell Hausfield stapler. I love this thing. So it's time that we just start getting this stuff organized. It's just a damn mess. So what I did was I picked up one of these. Just a little storage bin. I picked this baby up for $3.99. So what we're gonna do, it's got these little removable compartments. So what I like to do is I like to get all my staples organized in here like so. Then what I like to do is I like to take a box that's got my information on it, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut off this little portion right here. And I'll take some tape. The Hitachi ones are kind of cool because you can just tear away this front cover like so. Now we'll just close that up, shut. Final touch here. Alright guys, and that does it. All of our staples and our brads for our nailer are in this nice little. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe below. See you later.